To refresh a Bill.com API webhook, you need to understand the basics of webhooks and how they work with the Bill.com API. A webhook is a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. In this case, an event related to your Bill.com account. First, you need to log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the Developer tab. This is where you can manage your API keys and webhooks. If you do not see the Developer tab, you may need to contact your account administrator to enable it for your account. Next, locate the Webhooks section and find the webhook you want to refresh. You can filter by event type, such as invoice created or payment received, to find the specific webhook you are looking for. To refresh the webhook, you will need to re-establish the connection between the webhook and the API. This can be done by re-registering the webhook with the API. You will need your API key and the URL of the webhook endpoint. You can re-register the webhook using the Bill.com API. You will need to send a request to the API with your API key and the webhook URL. The request should include the event types you want to trigger the webhook. For example, if you want to refresh a webhook that triggers when an invoice is created, you would send a request to the API with the event type set to invoice created. Once you have sent the request, the API will verify the webhook endpoint and re-establish the connection. You can verify that the webhook has been refreshed by checking the webhooks section in your Bill.com account. Best practices for managing webhooks include regularly checking the webhook logs to ensure the webhook is triggering correctly and re-registering the webhook periodically to prevent expiration. By following these steps, you can successfully refresh a Bill.com API webhook and ensure that your application continues to receive the events it needs to function correctly.